Okay, yeah, you can sit down now. Frank! You farted!
They're too damn coots.
Frank! Oh, no, that's what I call comedy. You say. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, no, that was definitely the greatest comedy joke ever. Well, because cousins are the greatest.
Blackie's wanting to play with it.
Blackie's wanting to play with it.
Oh, man.
Funny bunny.
Here, Blackie. You want to let him have it now?
Yeah.
Here, Blackie.
Bucky.
Blackie.
Bucky.
Yeah. You might shit yourself.
You're a swear again. You said a swear word.
Well, pooped. Whatever, it ain't a cuff.
Yep. Bucky, you want it? Go get it. Hey. Yeah, you might. It's a whoopee cushion. You guys are squishy. Is that real rubber, Bucky?
I'm gonna get
Rubber.
you real good.
So guys, thank you for watching this video. So please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah. Just please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And bye guys.